Welcome. This is a short tutorial on how to sign up on Selar and start earning in foreign currencies. Ready? Go. Okay, so I actually want to sign up on Selar, so I'll just go to selar.co. That's it, and it will take me to their page. So then I'll click on start selling with Selar, and then this is if you already have an account. If you already have an account, you log in, click login here. If you don't have an account, you create an account. So I want to create an account now, and I want it to be 10K legal shop. Email address 10 sorry 10K legal shop. Full name 10K legal shop. Let me put at gmail.com. Password you need to use two names for first and last name, so we'll use 10K legal shop. So right, save. So opened it, and this is it. So normally you will not have to now set up your bank details. For instance, I've already clicked Nigeria, it's here. Access Bank or any other bank. Assuming we're using an Access Bank, then we'll put the account number here 0763603405. That's my. Then they would verify it. Read Ekrigwe. So that one's bringing out the name now. They're asking if it is correct. You put yes, and then you can now begin to add the product in there. This is the free version. There is a paid version actually. I'm using my phone to record this, so let me put it on desktop mode so we could see it better. So I'm using my phone to record this. So now we can actually add the product here. So this is the physical product. You can put that. You can put digital product. You can put tickets. You can put subscriptions. You can put service. You can see coaching, consulting, counseling, designing. This is course hosted on Selar. Like if you want to host a course on Selar now, that is pro. You have to pay for that. Yes, and if you want to stream online too, you have to pay for that on Selar. Then there is a membership course. If you want a membership course hosted on Selar, is also paid for. And then flexible subscriptions is also paid for. So these are the 4 things that are paid for. All others are free. The only thing is that they will take a percentage of every money that is paid on the platform. Say for instance, on like my products, my ebook that is 150, I think they take like 110 naira or 150 naira. So I don't know the percentage of that, but it's around that percentage. That's what they take from every product that you sell on Selar. So for instance, I have an ebook coming up. Let's see, I have an ebook. Let's click on digital products. So if you want the course, you have to now pay for the subscription mode. It's quite easy to do so. I'll put the name of the ebook here. Say vendors Lego special. There's already a product available. Let's see. Service level agreement. Service level agreement templates. Assuming that's what I want to sell, and then since it's a 10K legal store, so this is like 10,750 assuming, and then I want to give it a discount price. So this is a sale price, but it's actually worth more. So maybe it's worth like 20,000 or 20,500. So I'll put this here, and then it gives you the option to put it in many other currencies actually. So look at it. You see, by default, you set the price in your local currency and you automatically convert the amount to other currencies on your store page. But if you'd like to set a fixed price for other currencies, e.g. USD, you can enable this option on your current setting. See, that's how it works. So you can actually enable it. Yeah, so you allow it here. Okay. All these are enabled already. So because I already have a Selar account, so I think they just used some of those things already. So they are all enabled already. So they're already enabled already. I think USD is already here, so I think they're enabled already. Let's just add this in case we want it custom and there's anyone that's not there. I think that's how it works. Yes, so that's then normal, maybe write a copy here. Are you a service provider? Do you need more patronage, trust, and confidence from? Do you need your clients to patronize you more? Do you need more patronage from your clients? Do you need more patronage from your clients? Want to gain more trust and confidence? I think this is it. Want to gain more trust and confidence from them? Then this is the product you need. Easy peasy in minutes. Voila! Your template is ready. It's editable and can be customized. Sorry, I'm using a phone, so I hope you can see this. It's editable and can be customized. The idea here is just to show you how it can work from start to finish. So this is it. The category here, I can put in, like normally what I put in professional. So it depends on what you want to sell. I put in professional, so I just put in professional, and then I put in consultancy. Then they said this product has multiple variant options, like different packages. If you want to add that, you can. If you don't want to, you can leave it. If you want to use upsell and cross sells, to add them up, you still need pro. For instance, you want to add like 4 more products, extra products, advanced options, you need pro. This one is just like the basic. And like I said, it is free. So it is when people pay for it that they deduct from it. That way you don't have anything to lose. Your money is not running and you're not scared that, especially if you're just trying the platform for the first time, you're not scared that your subscription might finish before you get your first client or anything. So it's actually very easy for you to navigate through. The fact that they can just deduct the money from any client that comes is still very, very okay, unless you want to host courses on it, like I already explained. And then you can put it, if it's a pre-order product, you click pre-order, and then you put the date. If it is not, you just leave it out. For instance, mine is not ready, so I can just put a pre-order, and then I'll put the date here, assuming I want to put January 7th or January 21st, assuming that's what I want to put. That's what's going to be there. So anybody that comes here knows that they are paying, and that is when they're going to get it. So normally when I'm done with that, then I will not give the buyer access to a file. I already clicked this. So either I give the buyer access to a file, or I automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after they have paid. So if it is pre-order, I'm not giving them access to a file because there's no file ready yet. But what I'm giving them is automatically redirecting them to an external URL, maybe for instance my mailing list or a Telegram page or whatever, or a Telegram group or whatever, to have it full details of those who have paid, so that I could actually send them the product once it is ready. Then I can now click on automatically redirect the buyer, and then I will now put a link to that page here. I put my phone number, my WhatsApp phone number, or I put my Telegram group link, or whatever link I can put there, and then they would contact me. But it has to be a link. However, if it is not pre-order, if it is a product that is already ready, I can actually upload it. You can see here, there's even a space for you to put in your image, right? So there's a space for me to put in the image. So let's say I want to put in image now. I'll just pick up any image. All right, so I can use this one, and I can put more. Let's say it's the cover page of what I want to produce, the service legal agreement template. So I can still add more, designs to it, so that they can have an idea of what it looks like. This is like a landing page, a mini landing page. So I'm just doing everything here. But it still does not stop you if you want to have another landing page, that will link them here. But this is very easy, like simple. So if it is not a pre-order product, like I said, I will now have to I'll have to now give the buyer an access. So I will now be able to download, see a downloadable file here. So this is where I will now upload the document. So let's see. The document I'm uploading is, I'm just looking for the document. Should we say this is a receipt, by the way? But assuming that's what because this is the maximum file, it has to be 750 MB. It cannot be more than 750 MB. Whatever I'm uploading, most ebooks are not even up to that. Most templates or documents are not even up to that. So I think you can still do. And then even if it is not Even if it is bigger than this, we can resize it using some softwares that are already available. And basically this is it, ma. In less than 10 minutes you are done with whatever it is you want to do. Like I said, I'll just start from the beginning again. You upload the picture that you want, you put the name of the product, you put the price. If you want it to show the striked out original price, you put. If you don't want it, you can just remove it and then it will not show. But like I wanted to put it, that was why it was there. I don't know why the currencies are not showing. Sorry, my currency would normally show. So he said, let me check this again. So right, so I'm going back to the dashboard now. Oh my god. Oh dear Lord. Don't tell me I started from beginning because I didn't even update that product. So let me go back. If it's not showing, at least I can actually see before I come back to that currency, sorry, so that everything does not get missing. Yes, because you can actually get missing. I can't see the document I uploaded again. So I'll just upload this receipt again, and then I will now do create product. Once I do this now, the product goes live. Anyone can actually click on it, pay for it, and I would get, and I'll get response to it. This is the product link. HTTP selar dot blah 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 blah. The thing is that you can even actually retweak this name. You can rename it to be your own name or something, or the name of the product you're selling. Not on this app, but if you want to do it outside, I'm just saying. So now, success, congratulations, your product has been added. You can view it so this is what it looks like now. If we are viewing it, look at the picture I put here. It's a PDF ebook downloadable, and then see the small copy I did here. You can write more about it. The actual price is 20,500, but I'm giving you for 10,750, and that is it. Once they click clear, once they press buy now, it will tell them just like every other payment processor would do, and then they can actually pay. So, but I want us to get the part of the currency. So I'm still going to. Sorry, I'm going to. Okay, so we're coming back to the page to see how we can put in other currencies. I didn't see this earlier, so we're still going to put these here. So we're going to be using, by default, you get Naira automatically. If you'd like to set the amount you add the simply check the currency you'd like to enable. So we're going to enable these, all of them. Okay, I think I didn't press this update first. That was why. So I'll update it now. Once I do that, it's still not showing, but once I do that, I'll update it, like I said, and then I'll come back to my account, my dashboard. If I come out to my dashboard now, you can see that it's here. Just one product that is here, and I can still edit it if I'm not okay with it. I'll come to this three dots by the right side here and edit. Yes, so now the prices are now here and it is now automatically converted. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Before now, when I did mine, I had to personally search for the prices, and then put them individually. But now it is even super easier. So see all the prices are already converted, and that's how it really works. Thank you very much for watching. Again, once you can edit, and once you're done, you just click update products. It's as simple as this, and there is really nothing more to it. I've not really used the pro, so I can't really give more information about the pro, but really this is how it works. For the pro, you have to subscribe, and then you can just keep reading more about it here. Look at their options here. You can even integrate. You can run affiliates with it too. People can actually pay. People can actually be an affiliate to your particular products, and then seller will be the one to assign that link to them. Whenever they pay, an amount of money is automatically deducted from whatever, and then it is paid to them, and then everybody just keeps making money. It's really an amazing platform, considering the fact that you don't have to pay to join, and then whenever you have a client, that's when an amount can be deducted. It's actually a good one, and I think this is all that there is to it. I'd like to take your questions if there are any. Thank you, ma.